emotions in you. Trials come, take them on. Know God's will and you'll have strength. Tell Him what things you lack. Share His truth always. Elated is your soul when you worship Him. Come often before God, resist no more your care of flesh. It hurts Him so. Read His word, understand His truth. Come often before God, come often before God. So live as sanctified man, no matter what test or judgment comes. We will work to appease Him. Come often before God, come often before God, and live His truth. Even though we transgress, we should seek to love God. So long as we love Him, we will surely gain His praise. We must pursue the truth and bear witness to God. This is our duty that we must do. Elated is your soul when you worship Him. Come often before God,